बोलो चामुंडेश्वरी माता की
जय जय जय
प्राण बाइसेप चल
moving on to the marching arena with the salute of front in their hand. The squad is commanded by Cadet Poonam and are guided by Major C.M. Hirebal.